Hello guys, welcome to another video of 99 reviews. In this video I will show you how you can check your iPhone is refurbished or not. So before going to the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Go to the Google search bar and search here for the 3U Tool software. Download the 3U Tool from the official website of 3U Tool. Now open the software and connect your iDevice. Just go to the view verification report. As you can see, it is showing all the parts are normal and original. So this is the original iPhone, this is not a refurbished iPhone. Now I will connect the another iPhone which is refurbished or whose parts are changed. Now I have connected my iPhone 7 Plus. Let's see which part of this phone is changed. As you can see, this tool is showing the battery of iPhone 7 Plus is changed. So the battery is not original, it may be changed. This is the simplest method to check the iPhone part. If you like the video, don't forget to like and share it.